baby, I love you. I need you here with me all the time. Baby, we meant to be.
Alright, you guys, so we are in IKEA. Sorry, I just woke up from a nap, so I'm like half asleep. But we are in IKEA, and if you know me, you know I love IKEA. I just wanted to do a come shop with me video, just because it's getting ready to transition from summer to fall, and I love the fall, so I just want to find some new pieces for my apartment.
Oh, looks like I found a mirror. I just wanted to show you guys my shoes and my outfit for the day. It was super plain. Just a pair of leggings and some Air Max, and then like a running shirt that I picked up at TJ Maxx, or like a workout shirt. So over here we're just looking at a few things like candles and robes and towelettes and things like that.
Alright, so really quick, I just wanted to stop because we are walking through the furniture, and I don't really need any furniture. I just bought a couch maybe 5 months ago, so I don't have really any need for anything. I just bought a chair from Marshall's, I think, for my desk for school because I'm in grad school. So right now, really all I'm going to do is find some really cool pieces for the fall that I can incorporate in my house. Probably like some frames, maybe a circle mirror, some fake plants, you know, stuff like that. Just really cute things that can like switch up the aesthetic.
Alright guys, so I'm just going to continue to do a voiceover because I don't want to have any copyright issues. This right here is a TV stand for $119 that I really love, and I've been looking at for the past like several months now, but I just haven't gotten around to get it yet. Over here is something that I plan on incorporating probably once I get a larger apartment space. This is one of my favorite items IKEA has, which is the Billy bookcase, and I absolutely love it. You don't even have to put books in there. I just think it's a really nice way to store like glasses, cups, plates, just a lot of different little things. I love the price for it too. It's only $159. I mean, you can't really beat that, right? Over here is another bookcase I really fell in love with as well. I like the aesthetic it shows over here. I love this little square case with the potpourri inside. I absolutely love this frame. I don't know if I actually picked up a frame. I can't remember. I don't think I did actually. So I was just looking at the bookcases because I'm just obsessed with the bookcases. Like, I just love them. Even this right here, this is one of my favorite pieces IKEA has. I haven't bought it yet, but one day I plan to. Okay, so over here, I just fell in love with these little green chairs, and they were actually super comfortable to sit in, which for me is ironic because I'm not the biggest fan of IKEA's furniture as far as like their beds and stuff like that, but some people like it. I liked a couple of the jars over here, especially the mugs. This is just a business setup they have to promote having things for a business, for example a coffee shop. So I really like this little area because I'm obsessed with coffee. So over here is a gallery wall that I was obsessed with because of the black, white, and gray. I really like that aesthetic. I recently just picked up a desk for grad school from IKEA, and I started a gallery wall, but all of my pictures are colorful, and this one just really attracted my eye because it's all black and white, which gives it a really sleek aesthetic, and I was really attracted to that. I actually really like this speaker as well for $119. It's roughly about the same thing as the Bose. Over here, this is a section I absolutely adore the most, which is the pillows. I'm obsessed with pillows. And you see that emerald green pillow? Loved it. So guess what? I bought it. And I really just like how it feels. I like all the pillows over there actually, but the emerald green I incorporated in my home. So if we take a closer look right here, it tells you the dimensions of the pillow. And then you can see that this is just the case. You actually need to buy the insert. But because I already have pillows, I'm just going to stuff them inside of the inserts. Save your money, girl. Save your money. So next, we're looking at these lamps. This is an incredible deal, you guys. So when you get up really close on the lamps, they have these like kind of specks, these small specks that I just was really attracted to, and they were $80 and they were on sale for $40. I didn't end up getting the lamps, but I was obsessed with them. So because I needed more things for storage, I told you I wanted to clean up my pantry. I picked up some cereal containers because I just think they're pretty. I think cereal like Fruit Loops looks good in there. So, and I was thinking about getting some spice containers, but I'm not necessarily sold just yet. So through here, all you see is just the different types of jars they have, and I really like these jars a lot. So I end up picking up a few of those as well to put like noodles in and stuff like that. So right here is my ultimate supreme favorite section, and it's the colorful pillow section. So earlier we went to the slightly smaller pillow section, but over here has all the different pillows that they offer for like decorative purposes, and I just really like this section. They also had the same velvet emerald pillow over here as well, but I just wanted to just breeze through this section to see if they had another fall color in that velvet pillow. See, I'm touching it again. I just love it. So I wanted to see if they had another version of that pillow and maybe like a burnt orange or, you know, something more fall-esque. Alright, you guys, so the last thing I picked up was this Drona box. It actually goes into a shelving unit that I picked up from Walmart, actually, because I had this idea of it looking like a certain color, and they actually did have this rustic gray color. So I absolutely love it. I turned it into a coffee bar, and as you can see back there, they have some straw baskets that look very similar to the one that I picked up, but I wanted more of a cloth aesthetic. So this wraps up the end of the video, guys. If you guys like this come shopping video with me and want to see more videos like this, please stop and just give this a quick thumbs up. And if you guys want to see how I incorporated these pieces in my house, please comment down below. Love you guys. Peace.